Juma rucini na itura ria Kabarak mwena wa Naikuru riramukira ujumbe muritu wa maabitha a ngathi ya iguru a thirikari. Maabitha ya magitongorio ni Minista wa Ugitiri Fred Matiang'i, muikariri giti wa kamiti ya mathiko ma Moi Joseph Kinyua, hamwe na munene wa mbiraru cia bururi Samson Mothethe na munene wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai mekinyitie guku guthurima Mehariria ma kuria Moi agathikwo. Matiang'i akiuga Mehariria macio maria makoretwo magitongorio ni mutabania wa mihango ya thirikari Rift Valley George Natembeya makarika rucio.
We've walked through how the function will happen on Wednesday and what will be done. We are satisfied that the preparations are going on very well.
Muthenya wa Jumatatu niguo uthurimi wa muthia wa Mehariria maya ugatafanio.
Then we'll begin our rehearsals Monday afternoon and on Tuesday in preparation for Wednesday.
Aikari a Naikuru, Baringo na mucie kuria Moi aciarirwo mwena wa Sacho matikabatara guthie Kabarak no makarumirira igongona riu mari o kwao.
Because we know that this road is going to be very busy on that day, they will be fine. They will attend the service fully and participate in it fully from Afra Stadium. And those of our fellow Kenyans from Baringo and Sacho, they will attend the funeral service that is taking place here fully. They will participate fully from Sacho and from Kabarnet as it were.
Maya magithie na mbere Kabarak na kuo kiharo-ini kia Nyayo kuria gugakorwo na igongona muthenya wa keri. Mihango ni ya njuki muhungairwa kuma kuhata guthondeka hema mitambo ya umemerekia na mangi. Maabitha a mbiraru nao mari guku gutigirira onao Mehariria mao matikahingicana muthenya ucio. Ujumbe wa guthurima Mehariria maya guku Nyayo utongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri Karaja Kibisho mari na munini wa munene wa mbiraru Robert Kifoshi hamwe na anini eri a munene wa borithi.
As a committee, we are satisfied that by Tuesday, when we will need to use this specific venue, we will be ready, and we are certain, we are satisfied that the teams working here are putting their best foot forward and they'll be ready.
Muthenya wa Jumamothi, Mutyambai ni atanyitwo gukaheana mwerekera wa uria mihango ya o muthenya barabara-ini ya Nairobi guthie Naikuru na matura maria marigiceirie ikahutio ni mibango ya mathiko. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.